The instructor from Drake, who would always come up to the tech school, he would talk to me and was like, you should come to Drake, you should come to Drake. So that's how that happened. He got me signed up in the dual enrollment, and first day we lit up a acetylene torch, and I was like, oh yeah. My name is Jalen Roberts, and I'm a welder at Contractor Service and Fabrication Incorporation. 2 days after I graduated high school, I was starting college. It was crazy because I was already ahead because of the dual enrollment. I didn't have to take certain classes. I was in the shop ready to go when most people had to start from ground zero. I was kind of a little bit steps ahead. Before I graduated college, I was already working in my field, and they helped me get that job. And every job after, they helped me. I've helped build buildings to stadiums, bridges, things of that nature. You can always look at it and say, like, I did that. So it's not even the fact of the money, it's the fact of being a part of helping your town or your community grow. That's what makes me come to work every day. It's just awesome because it's like, oh, what are we building today, or what are we doing today? And it's always something different. My freshman year of college, I had my own apartment that I was paying for. Even now, I hold down a mortgage, so that for a house. So and I'm just 22. My friends tell me all the time, they're like, man, you got it good, man. You're already graduated. They tell me they're proud of me and they look up to me, and it's crazy because it's like, we're in the same age group. I would say I'm glad I have this skilled trade because I could really go on to anything and always come back to this because you can never lose that skill.